Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Termux or user-L and in granting storage permission so your files are visible. Once done, open the terminal and run pkg update and pkg upgrade to get current packages, then install openssh, wget, and git. Make sure to run Termux setup storage to map shared storage into home. You should also enable an extra keys row in settings for control and tab. These steps prepare the environment so commands, remote access, and file transfers will work immediately. Next, create a full Linux root file system using prutdistro or user-L and install Debian or Ubuntu. After crooting in, run apt update and an apt upgrade to align packages, then install Build Essential, Vim, curl, and other tools you need. Generate SSH keys with SSH keygen t-ed 25519 and copy the public key to authorized keys for secure remote access. Make persistent convenience tweaks. Export path lines, add aliases. Finally, start services such as SSHD to allow remote connections and verify ports with SS or netstat. If you need these to persist, use Termux, boot, a startup script, or a cron job inside the prut environment to launch them on reboot. Transfer files with SCP or rsync and keep regular backups of / etc. and your .dot files. Make sure to harden passwords and use your SSH key. Troubleshooting tip. If connections fail, check file permissions, authorized keys format, and any app-level restrictions or battery optimizations that may block background processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.